Okay, we're trying Bendy, and the Ink Machine. Now this is a game I've been interested in a really long time, but I haven't actually played it. There's a lot of games like that. I've even gotten some of the Bendy and Ink Machine building sets. But anyway, this is loud. Okay. Let's have to check out my options here first. Advance. Okay. I think we're good. Of course, we choose that. We say new game. Dear Henry, it seems like a lifetime since we worked on cartoons together. 30 years really slips by, doesn't it? If you're back in town, come visit the old workshop. There's something I need to show you. Your best pal, Joey Drew. B, is that B for Bendy? Bendy? Continue. Okay, that was a left click. I really like this art style. I think that's probably one of the things that really kind of drew me to this. Pardon the pun. A moment of silence. Okay, again, I love...
All right, Joey. I'm here. Let's see if we can find what you wanted me to see.
Discover Joey's secret. Search the workshop. Okay. Lots of stuff down here. Now, I'm going to guess, just based on this is Unreal Engine, right? It feels very Unreal Engine. Why? Because the way the camera moves, the way the light adjusts. It certainly has a really cool visual fidelity to it. Very smooth. It's very performative, though. I mean, performant. Oh, there. Dreams come true. Now, this ink dripping down here, that makes me nervous. What if I walked right up to that? Oops. Bendy, little devil darling. Silly vision. Okay. Go back to kind of the obvious. So I came in here, I could exit there. The dancing demon. Now my intuition.
Hey, here's my old desk. I wasted so much time in this chair.
My intuition was that...
Looks like they knocked out a wall or two after I left. Guess it took a few people to replace me.
That's weird. I get closer to it, it gets blurrier. My vision doesn't quite work that way. But anyway. Alright. That great sepia tone, sodium vapor light kind of glow that you expect in a projected, old-timey projector kind of environment. So this seems like the obvious thing to do. Ooh, I gotta slow down my mouse sensitivity up. Here. Hey, Bendy. Huh. Maybe my intuition is wrong. I thought for sure this was kind of a... Oh. Seems to be highlighted. Okay, so E is for interact. That's what I thought before, but it seemed like... No. Okay, I stumbled across that with the door before. So E to interact, that's kind of standard. Interact. E for extrude. No, E for interact. Moving reels. Very cool. Oh. Art department, ink machine, theater, break room. Now this is Bendy and the ink machine after all, so probably should go to the ink machine. I wonder if the ink machine, was the ink machine here when we were there? I don't know. Okay, nothing interactable here. So let's continue looking for the ink machine. Now the head bob looks really cool. Light under the door. That's almost a giveaway. Let's say like, okay, let's... Alright. Drew our attention to it. So things that are going to draw my attention to stuff. I'll try every door, of course. But any sort of extra visual salience, movement or lighting differences and so on, that's going to attract my attention. Ink output schedule. Alright, start off ink backup hold, 14 gallons, big gallon, big day on Saturday there. Okay, watch my step. I'm learning stuff. Is A jump? W? Wait, A? I thought it was WASD, so why would I... That seems... Oh, it's A button. So it's giving me... See, this is odd. I've been playing with keyboard and mouse, but it's telling me a controller. A controller button. A button on the controller, not the A key.
This lift could use a few dry cells.
Okay, so that's implying this is not going to work until I get some batteries. X for interact. Nope. So I probably should get into settings and told it specifically maybe that I am using a keyboard and mouse. But what would be really cool is if it said, hey, you've been using a keyboard and mouse. That's not something the engine will typically do for you, though. Usually it masks you, and you have to be explicit about saying something like that from the user's perspective, right? It's kind of weird. Inventory? Oh, no. Just...
Let's see what you're hiding down there, old friend.
All right. So... Oh, okay. Ooh, it's the ink machine. Love the shading. There's no, certainly not 2D. This is not a 2D game. This is a 3D machine. To locate the power station, turn on the ink machine. But the textures, so it's hand-drawn but 3D. That makes... danger keep out. Could I do this? Just run and jump. Nope. Okay. Ah, a door is ajar. Classic. E. All right. Okay, this dancing demon, little devil darling. Got some things going on. Lunch clock.
Another day, another dollar. Back to the old grind.
I thought maybe it was like going downward as I did that, which would kind of violate the purpose of it. The footlights, very theatrical, very nice. Film reel. Is that glowing? It's not really glowing. Nice cobweb action. Nice ambient sound as well. Oh. Okay. Bacon soup. I'm gonna assume those are health. Did I eat them all? Or did I put them in my inventory? Do I have an inventory system? I have interact, but I don't have tab. I hope I just didn't like use up all those potential health, but I don't have a health bar either. So I don't really know. It's okay. I use bacon. So I think I just ate up all the bacon soup. And that's okay. Maybe I don't need a health system. Maybe it isn't like incremental damage kind of thing. Oop, oop, oop. Right, there's more bacon soup. Some bacon soup. Ah, okay.
At this point, I don't get what Joey's plan is for this company. The animations sure aren't being finished on time anymore, and I simply don't see why we need this machine. It's noisy, it's messy, and who needs that much ink anyway? Also, get this. Joey had each one of us donate something from our workstation. We put them on these little pedestals in the break room to help appease the gods, Joey says. Keep things going. I think he's lost his mind, but hey, he writes the checks. But I tell you what, if one more of these pipes burst, I'm out of here.
Alright, so everybody's put something on a pedestal in a certain room. This first, when they said donate, I immediately thought like donate blood. It's like it was the ink blood or something. Oh! Any stuff in here other than... Oh, more bacon. Bendy's bacon. Bacon soup. A lot of very cool details here. Can I turn this projector on? Ah, ink pressure. Alright, so I know about that now. But I still have a power issue, I guess. Sorry about that noise. Okay. I think we're off to a good start here, and I kind of wonder, am I able to save my game? So we're doing more of a game analysis here. Things I don't know if I are going on yet. So I don't know if I have a health system. I should have gone more in about or something. Maybe there's some. If I hit escape. Oh. Oh. Okay. Escape. Resume options, quit options. There wasn't really anything in here that would tip me off as to that. Back. Turn on the ink machine. Locate the power station. Gotta do that first. Resume options, quit. That scares me a little bit. Scares me in terms of could I save? Did I save by eating soup? Right? That could very well be. Every time I eat soup, that means, okay, that's a save point. It's brightly lit. I kind of... Oh! Oh!
Oh my god. Joey, what were you doing?
Okay. Clearly that's not goofy at all. Okay. There's a bone! How terrifying. That implies stuff. Can I turn this cranks? Nope. Does it say, who's laughing now? So Joey's got some some issues going on. Can I crank that? It's a vice? No. Now, this is a woodworker's bench. How do I know that? Well, based on the style of vice. And there would be probably some hand tools in here. And there's also, I don't know if there's supposed to be bench dogs or not. But anyway. Okay, nothing in there, nothing in there. Did I get turned around? This feels familiar. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Go this way.
Alright, how do I get this to work?
Okay. Oh, here's the place the pedestal deal. Okay. I'm going to... Oh, I get a bunch of things. So I've got a Bendy doll, I've got music, I've got ink, I've got a gear, I've got a wrench, I've got a book to get. Alright. So, we know what we need to do. We need to get the machine started, probably by gathering those items. And that should theoretically turn on the main power, and then we can turn the ink machine on. So let's stop there for now, and let's see if the save system worked for next time. Fingers crossed. So that's the I suppose the cliffhanger, how the save system worked. Am I going to pick up where I left off? All right, quitting. See you later. Oh wait, are you sure you want to save your game? Current objective progress will be lost. All right, well, I haven't made much progress on it. I have a current objective. All right, I'm just going to jump back. Okay, begin. Okay, I have a save at 6 minutes 52. Continue. All right, we're just going to verify the save system, how it works, and then we'll really pause. All right, where are you going to be? Where are we going to be? What's our objective when we get there? Okay. So... turn on the ink machine, locate the power station. Alright, well, I guess we're going to have to go back to there. That's where we are. See you later.